the one he cared
Well, first thing I think is an informer. Not an informer. That's not the word.
An imposter.
Not an informer. I think the one in white is an imposter. Because that song was playing, and I said, that was the song you danced. He said, no. And then she turned around and said, yes. So you didn't know he's the wrong man coming in this man.
It's nerves.
Oh, it's nerves. By the way, it's a friendship that started on Instagram, unlike us, and now it has blossomed into marriage. Like us, the happy couple, Javon and Glenice, are here to tell us how it all happened. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
You remember anything else? Can you forget the song? I'm going to give you a chance to come out of this. How did you guys officially meet face to face? Tell me about that.
Congratulations on the nuptials first, because you're just newly.
Right.
Newly. May 30 was your?
Yes.
13.
30.
Yes. Yeah, tell me about it. Not the wedding yet, because you forget part of that.
He wasn't there.
All right, so how we met are...
How you met online and then how you went the first time you saw each other?
So the first time we met online was she made a post that my friend sang a song, right? And we were trying to broadcast it on the internet and stuff. And she posted it. And I come into it and said, hey, that's my friend, you know. And then she replied by saying, what did you say again?
I was asking him if he knew. I was asking him if he knew the producer of the song, and if he knew other productions surrounding that song. And at that point, I was like, wait, I don't know who I'm talking to. Right. So we were basically speaking to the video.
Yes.
And then he introduced himself. He was like, hi, I'm Javon, with a handshake emoji. And I'm like, hi, I'm Glenice, with another handshake emoji. So that's basically how the communication started.
We moved to WhatsApp. So what
And
pushed
then,
it to...
hold on.
Wait.
We don't reach WhatsApp. He's back.
And then it went from here, then another week, then here again. She replying here, you know, and then I'm replying here.
Hey,
And we're not there.
And then I think it was a Sunday morning where I was late for church. I woke up late and we started texting on Instagram again. And she mentioned that if I'm not going to church, I'm going to say, yeah, I'm tired and thing. And she said, no man, rolls out of bed.
Yeah, man. Mind me push out of the bed, like through texting.
Okay.
Yeah, so the conversation was held on Instagram for a while, and then we decided, let me share a number, and then it moved to WhatsApp. We spoke for several months, and then that was from March.
2022.
2020.
2020?
Yeah, that's what, from March 2020. The Hays were in August.
hey.
And then we officially met in November.
When did you go to YS Falls? That was the first date.
Yeah, that was for my birthday.
Yeah.
We said
January 14th.
So we already did meet before that. Where was it?
Right,
the first meeting was
first
Yes,
meeting.
come on, me, yeah.
Yeah, I had to take GPS. I didn't know that side of the world existed.
Yeah, he's from another parish.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm from Spanish Town, she's from St. Anne.
You never know St. Anne existed?
No, I didn't know that part of St. Anne.
Okay, just checking.
Javon, you know, so by the time you leave, you're divorced.
Straight up. So when did y'all realize that there was something here that you could build a future on?
It's after a while of, dating, and I would have events. As I say, I would work freelance for Phase 3 and other places, and she would keep me up to date on all my stuff. Like, sometimes I won't remember until like the morning. I'm like, what time am I supposed to reach it? But she keeps me up to date on all my stuff. And I'm realizing that if this woman gone, we're doomed.
It has to be more than her.
By the way,
You're up to date on your stuff, though.
Yeah.
Obviously, there was
up to date on
a hard connection at that point.
Yes,
You knew?
When I first met him, I was like, no man, in little. I saw him like he stopped, and I was like, wait, I read somebody come.
By the way, were you guys involved in a relationship when you met each other online?
We were friends.
Were you involved
with other people?
We were mutual friends with.
But you both were not in relationships.
Okay.
No, as in other relationships.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
That's it.
Cool. I'm so sorry. Yeah, true word. So you thought he was liquor?
Yes.
But he was Talawa.
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on, we know too much about the Talawa part.
No, I was saying.
We don't want to reach the Talawa
You
part.
Say,
stop.
even though he was, little in stature at that point,
Yeah.
was a man.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh, look here. I will cry. You know, I'm going to.
Don't cry.
I'm a Mexican.
Cannot with a good love story. I just cannot. You guys.
It did happen to us.
Just.
She did cry. She did.
You
she
made
did.
me cry for different reasons.
No, she didn't cry
Oh,
when she
my
realized
gosh.
she loved with me. So.
Oh, Jesus. The day hasn't come yet. But let's see. Let's see. So you guys are now married.
Yes.
Found your perfect union. What is it that you love most about him? Everything.
Everything. No, sir. I like it.
He's an intercessor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Him not going to remember what him love about you. You know? So, you know what I ask you.
We're going to ask him. He's an intercessor. So he's always interceding on your
on
behalf.
my behalf. No matter how I feel, if I feel sick at any point, anywhere I'm at, he is going to pray.
Just
Fantastic.
before recovery, I was like,
Oh. So
He's
God
the
is in
Christ.
the center.
Definitely.
In the midst of it.
Definitely.
It cannot fail.
Definitely.
and most of all, we can't leave our church. Both churches have been so supportive of both of us. I want to shout out to Marching Road, Pentecostal, and Rural Retreat, Church of God.
So which one will you go?
Marchpen. We'll visit both.
Yeah.
Well, I still go to Marchpen.
What you love most about her?
Our OCD.
Oh, stop.
Trying to bother with the
Stop.
question. Have mercy.
I remember she said everything, you know, so you can't pick out a little one thing.
I want to say Glenys over there, ball. I have an ESP for picking up balling people.
What you love most about her?
All right, the way she's organized, she's really, like, one of the first times I realized it in her, she fixed the place and I moved the chair. And she walked past and she stopped. She walked past and she come back and she fixed the chair and I say, the chair.
You know the chair will move.
Man, it was a thing for me because I'm a person who is somewhat probably always organized or on and off. But you have somebody who will keep me stable in if you move your shoes, Your shoes can't stay there, so type of person.
Keeps you in order.
Yeah, she keeps me in order.
Yeah, you guys seem like a really
And
good,
she's a very
good
pretty
fit.
girl.
And she's a pretty girl.
Pretty though.
And you are handsome. And you guys look so good together.
Thank you.
Yeah, look like you want to go barber still, but that's get the laugh there from. With a laugh
That
there
just come out of you? Oh, Jesus. No, you liquor. That laugh is supposed to come out of you. Come, Glenn, show us your book, how we have to go to break. What's your book?
Well, this basically is a planner.
Well,
I
you use a
created a planner for our wedding.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, so I went through, did my research and did my planner. And I'm hoping to help persons one day.
fantastic. By the way, you laugh a while ago because you agree, so you need to go barber.
Yes.
He did this morning. Him
Fix up.
You just
You fix
use
up.
something
Yeah,
I
and
don't
then
use.
use up some man.
Fix up.
Yeah, and these are for you.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
Oh.
There is
But this is
expressions
before-
of a truth. Yes,
Before the
because you went through abuse and
yeah,
you said he's the first man who's made you feel safe. All right.
It's all right, honey.
Move yourself, man.
I am here for you, my darling. Don't worry, nobody not jumping there.
I just love a good love story.
Yeah, me too. God. Javon and Glenys, great to meet you guys. God bless you both.
Happiness. Oh,
Yeah, man. And send us anniversary and we all bust it time
Yeah,
and
man.
stuff like that. Make sure you know. Yeah? So you got next May is the first one.
yes.
13.
Sorry, honey. We were the 14th.
I've never. The 12th of
That's her
never.
birthday.
That's my
The 14th is our birthday. See it? So we moved to the 15th. I don't know. We don't want to jump in for our birthday. We'll soon come back. Heart to heart.
These are pestilence.
Let's soon come.